Want to change your name on Facebook? Here's a full step-by-step guide. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top left. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, tap Account Center and then Profiles. Select your Facebook profile and tap Name. Here, you can edit your first, middle, and last name. If you want to add a nickname, maiden name, or former name, tap Manage Other Names and enter the names you want to include. Once done, tap Save. Remember, after changing your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days, so double-check for any spelling mistakes or missing names. Finally, tap Review Change and confirm to save your new name. Refresh your profile, and your new Facebook name will appear. That's it. Changing your name on Facebook is quick and easy.